Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove the background from any images for free. This is a free method and it's a website based method, so you can use it over any platform. Just simply open any browser on any device. Now here on the search bar, just simply search remove.bg. Once you go to this website, here it will ask you for to upload your picture. Just simply hit upload and upload a sample picture. For example, if I upload this picture now, in a while you're gonna see the background for the same image have been removed by this website, and you can download that image and use wherever you want. Just simply wait for some time and the background for the image will be removed. Here you can see the background have been removed. Now I can easily download the image, or even if I want to use it as a design over Canva, I can do it as well. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative and quick tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.